Hello everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva. Thank you so much for stopping by today because we're going to be looking at beautiful things. Yes, I don't think I've done a beauty haul in a really long time. I know that I haven't purchased any makeup in a really long time, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be showing you all the beauty goodies that I got during the Black Friday sale so we can compare. I'll show you mine. You can tell me about yours. All right, let's get started. Yeah, look at that. I got a nice big box of things to show you today. Let's start with Merit, okay? Because they had the biggest sale, and I needed a couple of things that I had run. Oh, there we go. I needed a couple of things that I'd run out of. Can I just say that the reason why I haven't been doing any makeup shopping is because I have been for the last few years using up things that I already have. I do get some things in PR from Merit, and so that's pretty much the only makeup-y items that I've been adding, but these things I actually went to Merit's website and bought myself. So the first thing that I got was their Clean Lash Mascara. It's tubing mascara. I'm almost at the bottom of the one that I've been using for the last couple of years. Yeah, I keep my mascaras forever because I usually have two open at the same time. And then I also picked up, I have one of their lipsticks in this satin signature lip, and I wanted another one. It's a very bright summery shade, and I wanted something that was a little more muted, a little more everyday. So I picked up a shade called Baby. This is it right there. It's a neutral pink. It is definitely on me a Your Lips but way better, and I'm wearing it today. So you can see what it looks like. Yeah, there we go. It really just looks like my natural lip color, only much better. And the formula, if you're not familiar with the signature lip formula, it's very moisturizing and it has a satin finish. You also might remember from an earlier video that I also recently purchased the Merit Flush Balm Trio, the three that they have, the special limited edition that they have going on for the holidays, and I'm loving that. In fact, I'm wearing one of the colors bespoke today. But let's move on to RMS. All right. Yeah. I also picked up their Lip2Cheek trio from RMS Beauty. And this has three of their cheek color, but you can also use these as lip color. This one is called Beloved. And the reason I wanted this set is not only because Beloved is in there, which I've used before. This shade called Spell, let me just open it up, is my ride or die. I've been using this shade as my just regular cheek color for, well, here, let me show you. Before it was in this little packet, this little blush packet that I got, and look, it's gone. It's totally been used up. Yeah, this is a nice little packet, actually. It has Beloved in it, which I've also used a bit, as well as their Living Luminizer, and then two other shades, one of which was Spell. And then the third shade in this trio is one that I have not used before. This is more of a burgundy shade called Elusive. It's showing up redder on camera than it actually is. Let me see, try it this way. That's closer to it. Yeah, there we go. That's closer. So it's more of a burgundy kind of pink shade, raspberry shade, I would say. And all of RMS's products are very, very, very cleanly formulated. Rosemary Swift, the famous makeup artist, is the owner of the company, and her makeup is very mature face friendly. is the best way that I can term it. She has a lot of really good oils and things in her blushes. And if you want to see this swatched on the lips as well as on the cheeks, let me know and I can do that as well. Particularly because these colors are all very best-selling colors for RMS. So even if this trio goes away, you can buy any of these individually. Or in this little 4-pan compact that I've had forever. And this is something I've had forever, and even though it's cream, it's still good. So their formulas hold up, is what to time is what I'm trying to say. Okay, I also bought, and I used this today, a sample size, travel size of the RMS beauty oil. This is the Kakadu Plum beauty oil. It's just a teeny, like it's a small, but a little bit of this goes a really long way. You can wear this. This is a much heavier oil than I was actually looking for. I was looking for something very lightweight. I knew that this is good under makeup, but I was surprised to find that it was as thick and hydrating, moisturizing, and as it is. And it also has enough thickness, I think it has enough weight to it, that it can be a little bit occlusive on the skin and really lock in the moisture. I wore this today, and I love this under makeup because it gives you a nice little glow. Like I didn't wear any glowy product today, although I should put some luminizer on. I will in a second. But my skin still has a nice glow to it, and it's a little bit tacky, so it gives your makeup something to really grip onto. If you're someone whose makeup doesn't like your makeup doesn't last, this really preps the skin perfectly for makeup application. And you would expect that from someone like Rosemary Swift, because she has worked in the industry as a makeup artist for what, 30, 40 years or something. So yeah, this is it's a lovely, lovely, lovely oil. And the first 3 oils in here are jojoba oil, Kakadu Plum, and rosehip seed oil. And then it goes into a lot of other fun, nourishing ingredients like herbs. There's a adaptogenic herb blend in there. There's buriti oil, from that she uses in her bronzer. It is also in here. So it's very a luxurious product, and I'm really glad to have this little sample, and then we'll see how quickly I go through this and whether or not I want to purchase the full size. Luminize me, baby. All right. From Rawa, I picked up the Amazonian hair oil. I was almost out. I've been using this oil for the last year. Will not be without it. Your hair, the more you use it, the better your hair. Sorry, had a little bit of a difficulty getting this out of the box. Yeah, this is the legendary Amazon oil for healthy, luxurious hair. I will not be without this product. It is definitely Holy Grail worthy, and the reason is because the more you use it, the thicker and healthier and stronger the strands of the hair get. So because of a year of using this along with the other Rawa products, I can do my hair, and I don't need to flat iron it. The last time I washed my hair, which was a few days ago, I did not. I just blew it dry, and then it kind of got this curl on its own. And then to manage it until I wash my hair again, I just apply like a pump of this in the mornings, not every morning, just depends on how dry my hair feels, and brush it through, and it just gives you a nice shine and a lot of manageability. And as you can see, I'm not frizzing up, so won't be without this oil. Love it. Another of my Holy Grail multiple purchases is from Astorwood Naturals. This is the big size of their argireline serum, their peptide serum. This is, if I turn it a little bit, it looks like it would be very watery, but it isn't. It is very viscous. It's very hydrating. The ingredients here are pretty simple. Give me a sec. Yeah, so it's water, the peptide, acetyl hexapeptide 8, and then a couple of natural preservatives, and hyaluronic acid. So it's really thick, it's moisturizing, it really hydrates the skin and plumps everything up. So you're getting the peptides and you're getting moisture as well. Every morning I got this. And the other product that I got for my morning skincare routine, I think I mentioned in another video that I was going to be incorporating more frankincense and immortelle into my skincare routine. So here we go, from Bamboo Earth. This is their Intense Hydration Facial Mist. This just smells so incredible. It feels good going on. I purchased the small size, the travel size, and wanted the big size. This is the this is the big one. And so what I'm going to do is fill up that bottle and keep it downstairs where I take my makeup off, in the bathroom down there, and then keep this in my bathroom for my morning spritz of whatever you want to call it, toner. Not really a toner, I don't think, but it's definitely what they say, intense hydration. And it's really simply formulated. It's got 3 hydrosols in here, and that is it. Frankincense, immortelle, also known as helichrysum, and turmeric. And the research that I've been doing on frankincense and skincare, which is, it's a great anti-aging, it tightens, it softens wrinkles and fine lines, it plumps up the skin and tightens it up, which is really what I need. So that research was done with hydrosol, with frankincense hydrosol. So it was really important that I get one. So I did. And then the last thing on the frankincense immortelle train, my moisturizer that I have been using. This is from Living Libations. This is their best skin ever. It is their makeup remover and moisturizer. You can use it for both. I have another bottle of the best skin ever in sea buckthorn that I've been using for my makeup remover, and I've been using this exclusively in the morning when I'm not wearing makeup and I don't use the Kakadu Plum. I use this. And this is one of those things, like, you can use this like at night. Let's say I use this to take off my makeup, and then I do a second cleanse with something else, and then I use this as a moisturizer. Put this on and then apply your facial balm on top of it. So the balm that I've been using is from Bamboo Earth. And that, if you have dry skin, that is going to be the best thing you can do to wake up with skin that is not only still moist in the morning, but it will it will prevent the dryness from coming back over the course of the day. So again, this has frankincense and immortelle and the oil blend. I won't give you the whole blend, just a little bit. Hang on. The first 3 oils here are jojoba oil again, coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, and sea buckthorn. And then there's a whole bunch of other oils in it as well. And this smells amazing. All of these frankincense mixture and immortelle mixes have the most incredible aromatherapy going for them. But if you're someone who wants skincare that does not have aromatherapy, then maybe this wouldn't work for you. I love it. I love that fragrance, and it's not too strong. It's not too overpowering. But if you are someone that doesn't want any kind of fragrance at all, then something like this you probably wouldn't work for you. But for me, just smelling that just sends me. Do you remember that commercial where it's like the puppy that, I think it was for Milk Duds or something? No, not Milk Duds. Milkbone. It's from like the 70s, where the puppy eats the milk bone. It's a cartoon. He eats the milk bone, and it's like, and then he floats up into the air on his back in complete bliss. I'm that puppy. Yeah, a little bit of this, and I'm. All right. Had enough? I'm going to leave it right there. You guys, thank you so much for putting up with me, for hanging out. I hope the information that I gave you was interesting. I hope the video was at least fun. If you have any of these products, let me know. If you indulged over Black Friday and got some things that you needed, then let me know what you were shopping for. Like I said, my makeup stash is bad. I'm definitely a minimalist right now, particularly in the lipstick department. But anyway, yeah, I need a few things. Even my bronzer, I'm almost used up all my bronzer, and hand cosmetics, which made the lip gloss that I loved, they're out of business. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I'm going to be like looking for, because that gloss is at the bottom. I'm scraping the bottom on it. All right, everybody. Thank you again. Thank you so much for watching. And listen, if you enjoyed the video, then please give it that thumbs up. That really helps me out. And also, if you really enjoyed it, then consider sharing this with your friends. And if you would like to see more from me and you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. Okay, everybody, until I see you in my next video, I'm going to wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye.